Back, my name is MJ4 and we're gonna review Honda or Asura exploring the Gran Turismo 1. So let's go. We're gonna start with Honda Civic 3-door. Price start at 17,280. This car has front engine 4-wheel drive drivetrain, 106 horsepower with 2253 lb. Available in frost white, forged silver metallic, Granada black pearl, Milano red, dark amethyst pearl, and that's it. The info. Civic. The Civic is available in sedan, coupe, and hatchback models with all three body styles produced in North America. The sedan, available in DX, LX, and EX trim levels, has a chrome accented grille and large glassy cabin for a formal, prestigious look while providing excellent visibility and interior space. The Civic powerful yet efficient engine comes from a trio of 1.6-liter 16-valve 4-cylinder power plants. The DX and LX sedan, DX and CX hatchback, and DX coupes are powered by a 106 horsepower engine. This was the first gasoline engine to receive low emission vehicle, or stands for LEV, certification from the California Air Resources Board. All Civic EX models are powered by the high performance 127 horsepower VTEC engine, offering excellent low and mid-range drivability. Civic sedan. Price start at 18,280 with front engine front wheel drive 127 horsepower with 2517 lb. Available in frost white, forged silver metallic, phantom gray pearl, matador red pearl, cypress green pearl, cyclone blue metallic, and that's it. The info is same. Accord wagon, but we're gonna read the info in the Accord sedan version. Price start at 26,980 with front engine front wheel drive, 145 horsepower, and a weight of 3196 lb. Available in frost white, Solaris silver metallic, starlight black pearl, Bordeaux red pearl, Sherwood green pearl, and that's it. Honda Prelude. Start at 18,830 with front engine front wheel drive drivetrain, 195 horsepower, such a really fast for a front engine front wheel drive car, with a weight of 2954 lb. Available in taffetas white, white diamond pearl, iceberg silver metallic, starlight black pearl, San Marino red, ruby red pearl, eucalyptus green pearl, supermarine blue pearl, and that's it. The info. Preload. The new Preload features classic sports coupe styling and a long list of standard equipment. Two models are available, the Prelude and the Prelude Type SH, which we're gonna review later. The SH High Lightning, Honda's newest technological breakthrough. The Active Torque Transfer System ATTS for enhanced handling characteristics. The Prelude is powered by a 195 horsepower, 2.2-liter 16-valve aluminum alloy engine featuring Honda's patented VTEC system. VTEC controls intake and exhaust valve timing to provide outstanding torque and acceleration throughout its power band. The Prelude Type SH features a revised suspension for improved its performance characteristic, which is further enhanced by the innovation of ATTS standard on the Prelude Type SH. Adjust power to the front drive wheels while turning to provide near neutral handling characteristic while cornering, greatly reducing vehicle understeer. Civic Racer, or this may be Civic Type R, as you can see there's a Type R logo right there. Price start at 19,980 with front engine front wheel drive drivetrain, 182 horsepower, and the weight of 2314 lb. Available in championship white, Vogue silver metallic, and starlight black pearl. The 98 has a yellow, sound like yellow, but that is 98. This is 97. Info. Civic Racer or Civic Type R. The Civic underwent a full model change in 95 and in 97. The Racer or the Type R was added to the lineup. It's powered by a dedicated 1.6-liter engine producing 185 PS and 16.3 kilogram per meter of torque, or 16.3 Newton. Along with tuning the engine, the suspension has been hand-tuned and the center of gravity of the car is lower to give superior stability braking. In the brakes, the size of the disc rotor has been increased. Other special features are the strengthening and hardening of various body parts and a high grip tires. The Racer or the Type R sports a special emblem, a large rear spoiler, and a special aluminum wheels. The interior boasts bucket seat and a small diameter steering wheel. The engine is powerful with a quick response. The lighter, stronger body and suspension enable good turning under all conditions, so tremendous performance can be achieved on the winding road. No except a brilliant driving experience of Type R. Now, Accord sedan. start at 23,540 with front engine front-wheel drive drivetrain, 170 horsepower with a weight of 3284 lb. Available in Taffetas White, Sapphire Silver Metallic, Sebring Silver Metallic, Starlight Black Pearl, San Marino Red, Cypress Green Pearl, Super Marine Blue Pearl, Pacific Blue Pearl, and that's it. The info. Accord, a perennial favorite of American car buyers, the 97 Accord comes equipped with a Honda's 25 years history of leadership in automotive design, quality, reliability, and value. The 97 Honda Accord is available in sedan, coupe, and wagon body style. The Accord coupe and wagon were designed and engineered in the US and are built exclusively the Honda of America manufacturing in Marysville, Ohio. Accord sedan are available with a 4 and 6 cylinder engine. Accord EX and LX V6 sedan are powered by an aluminum 2.7 liter 24 valve engine producing 170 horsepower and 165 lb-ft of torque. The DX sedan and LX sedan, coupe, and wagon features a 2.2 liter 16 valve engine with an aluminum alloy block and cylinder head producing 130 horsepower and high output of 130 horsepower 2.2 liter 16 valve engine employing Honda's VTEC stands for variable timing and lift electronic control. Technologically powers the X sedan, coupe, and wagon. And this is the SH version of the Preload, the powerful maybe version. Same horsepower by the way, but this is actually much more lighter. It's 2954. Meanwhile this one is 3042. So I'd recommend you to buy the normal one since this one is actually much more heavier, but I think there's some of the tuning for the handling. 195 horsepower, 3042 lb, Preload Type SH, start at 26,530, available in Taffetas White, White Diamond Pearl, Iceberg Silver Metallic, Starlight Black Pearl, San Marino Red, Ruby Red Pearl, and that's it. Went to the Asura lineup. Start with Integra GSR. Price start at 19,580 with front engine front-wheel drive drivetrain, 170 horsepower, and a weight of 2667. Available in Frost White, Vote Silver Metallic, Starlight Black Pearl, Milano Red, Matador Red Pearl, Cypress Green Pearl, Adriatic Blue Pearl, Dark Current Pearl, and that's it. And as you can see in the side skirt, you can see there is a black two-tone right here a bit. Integra GSR. As the entry level of Asura, the Integra embodies all the virtues that have established Asura as the #1 luxury import brand in the US market. It features superb manners and excellent handling, an advanced powertrain, an aerodynamic exterior shape, and a comfortable ergonomic cockpit designed to make a driving enjoyable and safe. The GSR model features a 1.8 liter engine equipped with a variable valve timing and lift electronic control, stands for VTEC system, pioneer in the Asura NSX. It also features program fuel injection, a dual-stage intake system, a knock sensor, a crankshaft reinforcing bridge, oil jet piston cooling, and a number of the other innovations to improve reliability and durability. And to improve another smoother operation, all this adds up to 170 horsepower at 7.6k rpm and 128 lb-ft of torque at 6.2k rpm. This impressive figure gives it one of the highest specific outputs of normally aspirated engine sold in the US. Sorry. Now we're going to the Type R version. Much more powerful, only give you 3,000 extra to get this Type R version. 195 horsepower with 2,594 lb. I guarantee to get this car rather than the Preload since it is a bit more lighter. Available in Championship White, Vogue Silver Metallic, Starlight Black Pearl, and Milano Red. Integra Type R. Introduced 97, the Integra Type R features a 195 horsepower 1.8 liter dual overhead cam 16 valve VTEC inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out more horsepower per liter than any other normally aspirated mass-produced engine in the US. One of the Type R most notable engineering achievement is its high-revving VTEC engine. Features unique to the Type R include hand-polished intake and exhaust ports and single-port intake manifold, a larger diameter exhaust system to allow larger volume flow, and a torque-sensitive helical limited slip differential. Outstanding cornering response and enhanced braking performance also are hallmarks of this limited edition vehicle. These are made possible by features such as overall vehicle weight reduction, lower overall vehicle height, and aerodynamic refinements, racetrack calibrated suspension, high performance tire, and lightweight aluminum alloy wheels, larger disc brake with performance oriented calipers, etc. Too many explanation for me. Now we're going to the Trio NSX. First, we go to the normal one with the special black top, but this is not convertible, even though it looks like convertible. This is actually a normal coupe. NSX, price of 91,070, a bit more expensive since this is a mid-engine car. 290 horsepower with the weight of 3068 lb, available in Grand Prix White, Neutron White Pearl, Platinum White Pearl, Sebring Silver Metallic, Kaiser Silver Metallic, Magnum Grey Pearl, Berlina Black, Grand Prix Red, Formula Red, Indy Yellow Pearl, Estoril Turquoise Pearl, Phoenix Blue, Monte Carlo Blue Pearl, Midnight Pearl, and that's it. Explanation. NSX. The intention in creating the Asura NSX, which was first introduced for the 1991 model year, was to produce a hand-built exotic mid-engine sports car that would establish entirely new levels of prestige, performance, refinement, drivability, and reliability. As the NSX has evolved during the 90s, it has been hailed as a technological showcase. The 97 NSX took a giant step forward in performance with several major enhancements, most notable of which is larger, more powerful 3.2-liter, 290 horsepower V6 engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. Additional significant engineering updates also include larger brakes and improved anti-lock braking system, refinement to the electronic power steering system, application of new aluminum alloys for lighter weight, high rigidity body panels, adoption of special heart-rejecting window glass, and anti-theft vehicle immobilizer system. Really good, since this car may be safe because it has the anti-theft system. But this is a bit more heavier. Meanwhile, the later one is actually much more lighter, like this, the NSX Type S0. Just add your cash to 98,570 from the normal 181 for the normal NSX, you get this car. Even though this is actually much more low horsepower, 14 horsepower lower from 290 to 276, it is actually much more lighter. Lighter 200 lb by the way. NSX Type S0, available in Grand Prix White, Neutron White Pearl, Platinum White Pearl, Sebring Silver Metallic, Kaiser Silver Metallic, Magnum Grey Pearl, Berlina Black, Grand Prix Red, Formula Red, Imola Orange Pearl, Indy Yellow Pearl, Estoril Turquoise Pearl, Phoenix Blue, Monte Carlo Blue Pearl, Midnight Pearl, and that's it. NSX Type S, Type S0. When Asura came out with a new 3.2-liter engine and 6-speed manual transmission in 97, the sports model Type S was added to the lineup. Also, Type S0 with enhanced sportiness and more emphasis on circuit driving was added. The Type S had managed to remove approx 45 kg from the standard NSX, the previous one I said before. But the Type S0 went even further, stripping away a staggering 96 kg, almost 100 kg to be honest. With these changes, the NSX became an easier car to turn compared to the previous incarnation, especially with the Type S0. The suspension was given added rigidity at the rear and slightly softened at the front, resulting in secure communication between car and road surface and a more neutral handling. These alternatives changed the car's look far more radically than the previous generation had done, and resulted in a car that requires a certain amount of skillful driving. Genuine sports cars choose their own drivers. And this is the Type S. I don't know why. I think Type S0 is much more recommended to buy than the Type S. I mean, Type S is more like a normal version compared to Type S0. I don't know why it's actually much more expensive. And it's actually, look at this. It's breaking the 100,000 credit. 100,300, 100,000, 3,000, 100,000, 3,570. Grand Prix White. I mean, this is the MR, 270 horsepower, 2910 lb. Price start at 103,570. Available in Grand Prix White, Neutron White Pearl, Platinum White Pearl, Sebring Silver Metallic, Kaiser Silver Metallic, Magnum Grey Pearl, Berlina Black, Grand Prix Red, Formula Red, Imola Orange Pearl, Indy Yellow Pearl, Estoril Turquoise Pearl, Phoenix Blue, Monte Carlo Blue Pearl, Midnight Pearl, and that's it. Basically, the info is actually same like the previous one, as this is a Type S with the Type S0. I recommend the Type S0 to be honest if you want the Type S which one, because this is much more expensive. And the Type S0 is actually more reducing weight. Used car. Start off with the Civic CRX 91 SI. Price 5,660 with the color of plain black metallic. Front engine four-wheel drive, 108 horsepower, 2173 lb. Info. The 1991 CRX. The CRX engine is an excellent example of both performance and outstanding fuel efficiency. Performance begins in the heart of the CRX engine with a single overhead camshaft, 16-valve cylinder head, CRX and CRX-SI. The combustion chambers have 4 valves per cylinder. 4 valves give the CRX engine a larger effective valve area. The result is better engine efficiency. The engine draws air and fuel into the combustion chamber more efficiently and expels exhaust gases more thoroughly, resulting in a stronger acceleration throughout its power range. The sophisticated 4-wheel double wishbone suspension system used on CRX model gives the superb handling and a remarkably smooth ride. The CRX SI used front and rear stabilizer bars and gas pressurized shock absorber on the rear wheels for increased performance. And here's another one with red color and much more high price, 100 actually, with a Torino Red Pro with a black two-tone, but it's the same color. The Del Sol S93, available this one in Flint Black Metallic, 340, front engine front drive, 102 horsepower, 2286 lb. Info. 1993 Del Sol. The 102 horsepower 1.5 liter Del Sol S engine and the more powerful 125 horsepower 1.6 liter SI engine are both single overhead camshaft inline 4-cylinder design. To minimize engine mass and improvement vehicle performance, this engine have cylinder heads and engine blocks made of lightweight aluminum alloy. In addition, both engines have 16-valve cylinder heads with 4 valves per cylinder. The greater valves are of more effort. By this design promotes more efficient engine braking. Fuel and air are more efficiently drawn into the cylinder and burn wasted gases are more effectively expelled. The result is higher specific power output and better fuel economy. The sporty Del Sol lets you have the best of both worlds. The convenience and style of a modern sports coupe and the fun and more appeal and more open-top sports car. We have the Civic in a blue color, Captiva Blue Pearl, 8300 FF, 125 horsepower, 2094. But we have the single Shoji version based from Initial D with the Milano red color. Sadly, the price is 10,200. Why you not 10,000, man? Come on. By the way, if you remember Initial D, you maybe remember this amazing car driven by Shingo Shoji from Night to Kids. Yeah, with the Gamut Dix match. Drivetrain front engine front wheel drive, 125 horsepower, 2094 lb. Info. 93 Civic. The 1.5 liter 102 horsepower Civic DX or LX engine and the 1.6 liter 125 horsepower Civic EX engine are both single overhead camshaft 16-valve inline 4-cylinder design. Made of aluminum alloy, their lower mass help reduce overall vehicle weight, which in turn help overall performance. All 16 valves are operated by a single overhead camshaft SOHC instead of the dual over camshaft used in other 16-valve 4-cylinder engine. Engine efficiency and reliability benefit from the SOHC lower friction and reduced mechanical complexity. Additionally, the efficient and compact engine design allow for more overall interior space. The outstanding efficiency and overall performance of the Civic engine make it a classic example of the Honda approach to engine design. Smooth, powerful, and technically sophisticated, it will cruise economically at highway speed. Yet its simple low and mid-range torque make it responsive and easy to drive around the town. Also easy to taking down some of the rear-wheel drive car in the toge, like Shingo Shoji did in Initial D. It is such a cool vibration car. Oh, we have the 93 sedan also. Yeah, looks cool for me. 10,340 Herbert Blue Pearl. And then we have another one, Phantom Grepo, 10,290. Looks cool for me. Oh, we have the classic Prelude 94 VTEC. Look at the price, man. 9990. If you give another 9, you maybe have a change of 1 credit in the start of your career. But this one you have 10 change. It is almost 10,000 to be honest as a starter car for your career in Gran Turismo 1. This is Cobalt Blue Pearl, 190 horsepower, 2932 lb. 93 to 94 Prelude. 3 different engines are specified for the 93 Prelude. Prelude S uses a 135 horsepower 2.2 liter single overhead camshaft 16-valve engine. Prelude SI uses a 160 horsepower 2.3 liter dual overhead camshaft engine, and the 190 horsepower Prelude VTEC engine adds a variable valve timing and lift electronic control, or VTEC. A sophisticated second-order balance system helps to control engine vibration. It uses to control wake shaft to cancel the inertial effects of the connecting rods and crankshaft. As a result, the preload engine is remarkably smooth and virtually vibration-free. The preload's advanced four-wheel double wishbone suspension is ideally suited to the task. The system uses independent upper and lower links to connect each wheel to the chassis. Compact, lightweight, and strong, these links precisely control wheel chamber to maintain a near optimum tire or rod relationship when cornering. Oh, we got a Civic 93 3-door SI. Basically now it's on Granada Black Pro. I still like the Shingo Milano red color. So boring. Another Pilot 24 VTEC in Granada Black Pro with that price 11,050 with the same power. Also this one 14,140 with sabling silver metallic, and then with a frosty white color, and then NSX in the 91 early version. Basically the info will be the same, right? Yes it is. The price is 39,980, so if you want to get a cheaper NSX, you can go to use a car. But the power is actually much more lower and a bit more heavier, to be honest, compared to the normal NSX, which is actually 90,000. This one is only around 20 horsepower slower, but if you wanna cheap NSX, then get this one. Then there's a 91 other one, 47,910 in sabling silver metallic. And then this one, the black one, Berlina Black, 54,770. Same power and reference and weight. The 93 version, same, but for some reason the 93 version increased the weight now from 3009 to 3020 lb, and also the price 66,420 for the Berlina Black. This one is same, 63,910 with Quasar Grey Pro. I never seen this color before. It's a bit more purple but more fade off. Okay, NSX 93 Cranberry Red Pearl. Yeah, looks a bit more cranberry for me. 68,780. Why is it 91 at the ending? Oh, it's actually much more lower price, 61,800. I still prefer the green one, to be honest. Special model, the NSX-R LM GT2. Of course, the price of the special model are $500,000, with the power is almost 550 horsepower, 549, with a weight of 2314 lb, available in red and orange, basically like that. So that's it. Next we're gonna go to the last dealership, Subaru. So thanks for watching, subscribe to message for, and see you next time. Goodbye.